run a small business? Are you tired of wasting time looking for the equipment that you guys need to run your business? If so, you need the 1Locker. This is a small locker system designed to keep your equipment safe, charged up and available to your team. To access the 1Locker, you simply log in using a card, a PIN code, so an access control card that you may already have within your company. Simply log in, the door will open and you can remove the kit to crack on with your day-to-day tasks. Scan the barcode that's on the item to check it out, and then a full audit trail is recorded in the back end. When you've finished with your item, scan your access control card again at the reader, pop it into the system, close the door, and everything is recorded automatically. Check us out at 1Locker.com.